This is day 3 of mixing all my leftover paint together to try to come up with the color to paint my entire house. We start with this lovely shade of blue. Oh! And then there, brighten it up a little bit. Well, that is a very lovely sage green. Do I add that to that? I want to ruin that bucket. It's really lovely. Guys, I don't know what to do. I want to create as much paint as possible. My house is a big open space. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna mix it. I really hope I don't regret this. Did I ruin this whole bucket? I don't know if I like it. Is this a weird color now? I do still have these 2 left. We're gonna test this. We're gonna take some of this, then I'm gonna add just a teeny bit of that. That's not so bad. It's gonna turn into like this olivey color. Don't hate it. I think I might like it better than that. This is so chaotic. Oh my gosh, there goes the green. My camera is not picking this up very good, but it's actually pretty green. I'm going to mix in the orange. This is some psychedelic stuff. It is a pretty neutral color, which is what I wanted. I really should stop while I'm ahead, but I just found this. Really hope. This makes it not quite such a orangey color. I like this better. No, it's pretty close to millennial gray, but it's not. It's a little bit more brown. Got a color that I like. And that's the remnants of all the different colors that I used.